Hello, it's Shaunna. I'm passionate about pages and I'm absolutely smitten by the paper pack that is this month's product of the month. It is called Painted Illusions. It's a 12 by 12 inch paper pack. There's 4 different double-sided papers and you get 3 sheets of each, which means it goes a really long way. I love that they're all like a watercolour finish on them. They're soft colours, so they just go with everything. I have been having a fabulous time playing. I've completed, well, they need photos, but the photos that are going on them aren't for public viewing. So I've completed 3 double page layouts I'm showing you today, and there are 2 more that are half completed that I'll work on over the weekend. So this is my favourite one. I made this up all by myself. So the one sheet that is just all these lovely leafy shapes, you just come in from the corners following a set of white lines and split it up into 4 pieces and rearrange it. Photos going on here are going to be of the backyard makeover my husband just did for our son and his partner when we were in Melbourne, so that our new grandson over there has somewhere nice to play. I have used a new alphabet that's coming in March called Simple Alphabet Stamp over here, and I had a lot of fun using the stamp positioner so that I could get a bit of an ombre look. So I've used 3 different colours of ink that I picked up from the papers to make that look. And then because it's like garden makeover, I thought that the cute of the as a bug stamps and dies were perfect. And I just coloured those in with Stampin' Blends, the alcohol markers, which are kind of fun. Now, when you have a closer look, you'll see that I've echoed the shape of the cut pieces with some stamping. I've picked up on this, I think this is Petal Pink, this colour. And the stamp I've used is another one that's going to be new in March, and it's called Rolling Waves. There's stamp and die cuts, and this is one where you will want both. You'll want the bundle because you get all this lovely sea foam that you can create in the dies. But I just used this stamp to echo the shape, and so it wasn't a hard finish. I'm really happy with this one, and I probably will flip-flap the bigger photos to include, you know, the before and after kind of views of the place. So that's number 1. This one here, whilst in Melbourne, I had the great good fortune of attending a demonstrator day where Janice Gilhooly was teaching. And this is one of Janice's layouts. You'll find her, I think it's Janice Gilhooly Designs on YouTube, and she made up this pattern in the Nature Walk papers. And this one uses lots of stamping with the Gears and Textures stamps. And, I didn't bring out the other one. And the die set, I don't remember what it's called, to this gorgeous leaf. So you'll see I've cut some of the leaves from printed paper, some from cardstock. This looks as though it will be tricky and require lots of measuring, but there's only like one set of measurements you have to worry about, and the rest just all follow suit. So I love this, rainbow band across here. This one's going to have photos of our little grandson on it. So I thought It's a Great Big World Out There stamp, which comes from Exploring Nature, was perfect for new baby photos. And then use the floral print as my band across the bottom. I decided to pick up on the Darling Duckling colour because all of these photos, the onesies he's in, will match. So that one is just lovely, and I can see me doing that layout multiple times. And then this next one is this month's scrapbook challenge in my Facebook customer Facebook group and in my team group as well. Originally, I thought I was going to do bath photos on here, but they didn't turn out so well. So I'll just be up for cute photos, really. I think probably on his play mat, just having a little play. So on this one, I wanted to steer away from the really bright colours in the pack and pick up on, so it's Lost Lagoon, Petal Pink and Pretty Peacock in there to give a softer vibe to it. And this one uses a retired set, Sweet Peas, which I love. I've used this many times, and I actually coloured with pencils. Have you coloured with pencils lately? I've neglected mine, and I was doing this. I had like jet lag coming back to Perth from Melbourne, so I woke up at 4 o'clock wide awake. Colouring in between the hours of 4 and 5 is very therapeutic. So I did some blending with the different colours. I pulled out some older bling from the Otters suite that we had a while ago. And then this one is from a set called My Story, and it's just filled with little scrapbook phrases and things like that that you could use. So I love this one here. I think that's fantastic. So that is what I've got so far. Everybody who purchases the product of the month from me during February, so we've got, one day to go, will receive written instructions for these 3 plus the other 2 that are coming. So there'll be cutting diagrams, photos of them, and instructions for them. If you're interested, if you have purchased the product of the month on your own account as a demonstrator or through someone else and you're interested in getting your hands on the handout, just comment below and I'll be sure to let you know how you can do that. Hope you like them, and I'll look forward to sharing the last 2 after the long weekend. Bye for now.